I wash my face. I brush my teeth. The sun is rising. I wake up early. I comb my hair. I read a book. I drink juice. I write in my notebook. I go to school. I eat breakfast. I sit with my friends. I pack my bag. I am running. I wear my clothes. I put on my shoes. The bus is here. I eat snacks. I drink water. I hug my dad. I read a story. I ask a question. I do my homework. I am feeding. I take a bath. I am skipping. I am eating. I am washing. I am smelling. I am chopping. I am spinning. I am shouting. I am exercising. I am sneezing. I am pulling. I am farming. I am pushing. I am clapping. I am plunging the toilet. I play basketball. I am walking. I enjoy playing video games. I am working. I am cooking. I am smiling. I am dancing. I am singing. I am jumping. I am fishing. I am sliding. I am crawling. I am mopping. I am cleaning. I am sweeping. I am vacuuming. I am folding. I draw a picture. I play with my friends. I listen to the teacher. I go home. I watch TV. I talk to my family. We laugh a lot. I help clean up. I turn off the light. I read a bedtime story. I set the table. I help with dinner. We eat together. I enjoy swimming. I have a pet dog. I enjoy gardening. I enjoy listening to music. I am using piano. Goodbye, see you next time.